So today we are harvesting some stuff that we got out of the garden a day or two ago. We just didn't get to it for a dinner, and so we have to process it today before it goes bad. So Ari is making some dilly beans, actually just adding to the dilly beans with green beans. I'm pickling some cucumbers. We're gonna be dehydrating some tomatoes and basil. Sounds like a real Italian household happening around here. It's not, but it sounds like it.
We took down that big, see that stump right there? It was a juniper tree that completely blocked our window. You couldn't see. And then a rose bush right there that completely blocked the window. And they've leveled this, as you can see. I mean, that's like pretty high up. That was where our yard was, but now it's level with our patio, which is where they're gonna take out too and do a new one. But check out all the bushes that were lining this tree. There were some bushes back there, and there was tons of bushes right there. Already lots of progress. And these two who never stop. This is gonna be our dog run. I think we're gonna put a fence all the way so we just let them out through the garage so we don't have to walk them over to it. And then there's gonna be a retaining wall along the outside so that we can level this. We're getting rid of the water feature, and it's gonna be artificial grass so we don't have to maintain it. Everywhere else, no rocks. Our patio is gonna be pavers. We're very excited. Water feature's gone. Yeah, I saw him cutting it. Yeah. You got like rid of all the rocks, push the wall back up. I think that's about where the wall's gonna be, is where it is now. It's pretty big now that there's no water feature and the rock area is not so taking up our whole yard. There's gonna be a wall there, like a retaining wall, and then right here, I think Galen's gonna put in like a fence right here and then a gate right there to the house. And that's gonna be the dog area. We'll let him out the side door, out of the side door of our garage. So they come straight here and they don't go in our yard. GG. We started breaking up our patio today. How thick that was. I think they were struggling with it. Got all this patio done today. That's true. thinking about over here allowing the girls a few pots for them to do a little garden like Mima. That tree's gonna get pulled out and this area is gonna be all cleaned up. It's gonna be our patio. Pavers. One of my favorite places is to stand under the Kajari melons. I love it. It's like a little oasis in here. So it rained a little bit last night, not a ton. Let's go see. Gotta tie up these tomatoes, which are now hanging in my walkway again. And our flowers definitely need to be watered. Do you want to do that real quick? Because they won't make it through the day. Our little storm last night gave us about 1/4 of an inch. Not enough to count for anything. Arkansas travelers that are ready. Tons of cherry tomatoes. We have all kinds of purple Cherokee, which we have absolutely loved this year. Those are our favorites. Got some paste tomatoes coming in down here. There are my gorgeous Kajaris down there, which are just getting huge. Now we're just waiting for them to start to ripen, to change color. This pickling cucumbers, they are growing huge. The English cucumbers, like I said, they're a lot slower to grow, but we had another one for dinner last night. We get one probably every 2 or 3 days. We'll get 1 or 2, sometimes 3. But these Kajari, this is my favorite little spot to walk under here. And you have all these little hanging, gorgeous things. But then you've got these bowling ball. Is that right? Why does that sound so wrong? Bowling ball. Look. He's reaching for the stars. Go, cucumber, go. You can do it. Beautiful one. Probably about 10 more in there because you can't ever seem to find them all. And we canned relish yesterday. And we had beans for dinner. Tons and tons of beans, but I'm telling you what, there's nothing like fresh beans. I cannot stand green beans when they are out of a can, but fresh, oh my gosh, those are a gift from God above. Thank you for watering my flowers and then running away.
What do we got? This little pig went to the market. This little piggy stayed home. This little piggy had roast beef, and this little you didn't like the roast beef? Ollie. Good boy. No. One more. Good boy. One more. No. Almost got it. No. Look. One foot's done. 1 foot's done, yeah!
So much cleaner back here today. First they put the topper on our wall. It looks really nice. You can see where our patio is gonna go. They're gonna start on our patio tomorrow. I still haven't decided if I like the lighter or the darker. I feel like I keep going back and forth. First I like the darker, then I kind of feel like with the wall I kind of maybe like the lighter. I don't know, I can't decide. And they cleaned up all this. That big stump over there is gone. All the rocks over there are gone. So that's all gonna be grass. It's gonna be our dog run right here. Starting to level off over here where that tree was and all the crazy bushes. We can actually see out our window now. It's all gonna be grass, grass, grass all the way. But our trampoline will be probably over in this corner because we have kids and we can't get rid of our trampoline. So we sacrificed some of our pretty yard for our kids.